Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's install, we have a unit from Asteria hair once again. I really like Asteria hair's quality. This one did not disappoint. It did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so that made this process much easier. I literally did not pluck one single bit. This texture is so nice and soft, but still so full. So let's get into installing. So I've already gone ahead and done the bald cap method off camera using the HD wig cap that they provided, but now I'm just smoothing the hair out before installing. Like normal, I am using a lighter powder to mark out where the hairline will be starting. This just makes it easier for you to know where exactly to put your glue. It's always easier to add glue than to remove any glue. And just to make it easier, I'm going ahead and cutting behind both of my ears, just so then after I glue it on, it'll be easier just to snip off the excess lace. Now after cleaning off the area with alcohol, I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active, and I'm doing about 2 to 3 layers for this install. If you want it to last longer, definitely do more. And once all the layers are semi-dry or almost clear, you can go ahead and just match up the dots and then make sure it is stuck by pressing your comb down on the lace. I know mine have a bit like some white patches, but they're gonna dry under the melting band, so it's all good. Now using the melting band that they provided, I'm just going to wrap this down really tight and let it melt for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now to cut off any excess lace, I'm using an eyebrow razor, just that we don't make any perfect edges. Using something like an eyebrow razor is always better than using scissors, so then the line is not as perfect. So this is what our hairline is looking like, and I did not want any baby hair, so I just put some spritz and then wrapped it down once more. I forgot to film it on camera, my bad, but it literally wasn't anything. I just used the Anastasia spritz and laid it down just so I can get this type of effect, and now I'm just brushing out the perimeter. I don't want it to be too flat. I want it to look pretty natural, so not that perfect. So this is why I'm just going lightly with the hot comb around the edge and on the top, of course. Now using a powder that matches the color of my scalp and a dye pen, I'm just going to make this line a bit more crisp. And lastly, using the Lotta Body mousse, it's my favorite mousse. I'm just going to rake it through the hair and apply a bit of water if needed, just to define the curls a little bit. This is pretty much it for the video. It's such a quick and easy install because the wig was definitely pre-plucked and pre-bleached to perfection. It was so easy, much easier than my normal installs, and all you have to do is really pop it on. You didn't even have to do all this. You could just spray some Ebin or Got To Be and just use it as like an everyday type of wig. But yeah, I have really nothing to say about this wig. I love the length of it, the density, the texture, all of it. It's so nice, and I highly recommend. So I'll put all the info about this wig in the description down below, so definitely check them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this install, and I can't wait to see you on my next one.